and the snap. Even before the invention of the classic medieval rack, simpler tools were used to stretch and twist limbs until bones cracked or joints slipped from their sockets. Wooden beams, ropes, and crude levers could turn a man's body into his own torture device. The victim would feel the slow pull of tendons tightening, the body betraying itself one pop at a time. The crowd often waited for the first scream. That was when they knew the confession was coming. And when it was over, survival wasn't mercy. A man with broken joints could no longer wield a sword, row a ship, or even feed himself. In Viking society, that was a living death.